It is so embarrassing, but you guys, this is the real deal. This is what my office is looking like, you guys. Yeah, it got bad. It got really bad. Those that know me know what's been going on, so I'm here to get myself together. I am uploading a video right now on YouTube, and yeah, so I got toys up in here. So this is the before picture. Okay, this is what my office looks like right now, and I am going to get this thing together, and I don't have a lot of time. So yeah, so this is my before picture, and I am going to get this office together today. Hey y'all, so I finally got everything cleaned and organized. So take a look, let me know what you think, because my office was looking a hot mess, y'all. I had a lot going on. But anyways, yes, so today I'm going to give you a tour of my office space. This is my home office. My home came with these built-in bookshelves, and so I'm just going to go ahead and just go with the flow and use this as my home office space so that I can keep everything organized. And so yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video. If you have any questions on anything that you see in this video, please leave them below. So let's go ahead and get started with this office tour. It is nighttime, y'all, so I have my ring light to help me. So this is where I keep all of my packaging right here. Oh, this just fell. Yeah, so I have all of my packaging here. So what I'm going to do is now just show you what I have up here. This is the Boss Babe daily planners. So this is what I have on my site for you to plan out your day. And these are sticky pads, so you can just fill out a sheet and add it to your planner. And then I have some overstock of the body mist and the sea salt body scrubs. I have the spray bottles, and I have some containers here. These are my packaging materials. These are my poly mailers. I am going to convert to all black and white for my packaging. These are my thank you cards. I got these from Vistaprint, but you can't see it on here, but I'm going to show you where I keep them. So this is my thank you cards right here. And my discount cards, this is where I keep them in. Okay, so bear with me, you guys. So this is how I keep everything organized. So I have a thank you card here. And this was why I said I was going to transition to black and white, because I wanted everything to match. So black and white. And then also my stickers for my brand, the palm leaf. Okay. So I'm going to put the meaning behind the palm leaf right here on the screen for you. And this is why I have the stickers of the palm leaf, because it has significant meaning to me and my brand. And that's why I wanted to keep this, because you can stick it anywhere you want to. You can stick it in your journal. You can stick it in your planner, wherever you want to put it. So I put those in my packages, and I also have my bookmark thank you cards, and I also have my business cards. This is just something extra I put in here, but these are my bookmarks. It says I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, and it's a thank you card and a bookmark as well. Okay, and then these are my business cards, just simple and straight to the point. Okay, so that's that. And I just keep it in here. When I'm packaging orders, I go in here to get what I need. So that goes back up here. And then I have some poly mailers back here. And I have, these are the boxes for the body mist, body oils, and spray and everything like that. So I use these boxes for that. And then I have the bigger boxes for the larger orders that I have. And then over here I have my necklaces, the Faith, Love, and Hope necklaces. They come in stainless silver and 18 karat gold plated. So those are the boxes up there, and I'm gonna insert a picture of what they look like on the screen. And then this section right here, this is my inventory for my shirts. This is all I have left. And then these are my vision board workbooks. This is the oils that I have left. I have three body oils left in the cucumber melon. These are the body scrubs, sea salts body scrubs. These are the 4-ounce containers, and then these are the 8-ounce containers. Okay, so these are just empty. I labeled them already, but these are empty. So yeah, I already have them ready for when I need to use them. And the popular one is the cherry blossom. My favorite is really the cucumber melon, but the cherry blossom has been selling. As you can see, I'm already sold out of the cherry blossom body oil, so I have to make some more of that. And then these is where I keep my pens for my journals, because once you order a journal, it does come with a pen. And then I have my copy paper here, and then this right here is the this is where I keep my daily planner. But this is the shipping label paper that I use. I keep it right here. And then over here, hopefully get this glare. Over here is where I keep all of my materials for creating the keychains and things like that. All of those materials are in here. And then the jar back there actually are where I keep the discs. So these are the discs. Okay, so that's back there. This right here, I had a customer who purchased a medium of this, and she left an awesome review. She did state in the review that she ordered a medium and it was a little bit too tight for her, but she still loves her shirt. So she doesn't know it yet. She may do. She'll find out in a couple of days. I'm going to ship her out a size large. So she has no idea that I'm doing this. I just put this to the side because I said I appreciate her review and I'm going to send that to her. So yeah, so I just have cardstock, laminated sheet, and just some extra paper and packaging tape back here. I have some journals that I'm going to pre-package. That's going to be another pre-package orders with me video. So that's it right here. Don't know why this is here. Go ahead and move that. And so that's all that I have right here. And then underneath the table, that's where I have all of my supplies to make my body products. And then I have my bubble mailers. These are the bubble mailers that I get from Uline for my journals. And then I have my hole punch, my 3-hole punch. I have my laminator machine. And you guys, as you can see, I like containers. Okay, I have containers. That's how I keep my stuff organized. So all of these containers hold different things. Okay, so if you do not know, I'm an event planner, so I do treats as well, like candy apples, chocolate covered strawberries, and pretzels. I add fondant decorations to them. So this is where I keep some of those supplies and recipes and things like that. I have my 2021 vision board right here, and behind the vision board is where I keep some of the ugly stuff that I don't want people to see, like cords, lights, other little nicks and knacks. They're back here. Okay, so that's where I keep that. And then these are where I just keep extra, like batteries, stickers, and just other stuff that I have for my other businesses. And this, I have my Cameo machine here. I have my books. Some of these books I've read already during 2020. And then some of these are books that I plan to read for this year. I have my scale for packaging. I have my crinkle paper in here for packaging orders. And I have more packaging boxes right here. And this is my desk. This is a desk that I use for packaging orders because it's near everything. And then this is the desk space that I use for filming my YouTube video. So this is the backdrop that I have, okay? So I know you guys are familiar with that backdrop, okay? And so that's pretty much it. That is my office tour. I do share this space with my husband, so he has his guitars and stuff like that in the corner. That's, some of his stuff over there. But yeah, so this is what I use. I use this and I use this space. And that's about it. And you'll see these rods are up here because I had drapes. I had white drapes to cover the shelves because I didn't want to see anything, but it ended up being a problem because every time I need to pull stuff, I have to pull back drapes, and I like to be able just to look and just to see everything, to see what I'm working with and things like that. Especially when it's time to do inventory, I can just look and just see quickly what I am running low on. Yes, so yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions or if you want to see anything, let me know and I will be happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you so much for watching.